What's good? What's good? What's good? I want y'all here while I set up charts and everything so we could watch this shit. So this is really just watch me not mark up, but set up my charts. You feel me? Something simple, nothing too much. Um, boom. Mm, I'm getting the hang of Forex all over again. Alright, bet. So we got that straight. We got that added. We got that added. GU, UCAD, GJ. Hmm. We could do an EU. Let's get rid of the grid. Put that on. Zoom in. Allow live trading. DLL imports. Cool. So now that y'all see my Forex stuff, my Renko bricks, My trade assistant. Oh, y'all don't really see that shit. My Renko bricks, my trade assistant to help me on Forex, gauge how much I'm losing or whatever, however you call that shit. Cool. Now it's time for futures. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I don't have nothing on ES. I don't have nothing on oil. Mm, I'm gonna take that off for right now. Because that might get in the way of some stuff. Alright, so check me out. You're gonna have to learn to get ready for these things. It's almost a new year. Got a lot of stuff we got to prepare for. It's Monday. I don't really expect much, but still got to get ready. If you trade Forex, I'm using MetaTrader 4 to look at this. I'm on IC Markets. My trade assistant is this thing right here down here. How do I embiggen this? There you go. This is my trade assistant. Me being stupid. For some of you who don't know or who needs to know how to manage your risk according to your stop loss, this is what I use. How it works, you put how much you want to risk, let's say 10%. You want a 1 to 2, hit lot, hit count. Let's see if this works. I guess that I haven't used this in a minute, so I'm still kind of, you know, trying to figure it out. Oh, there you go. So you want a 1 to 2, you want to risk 10%. Here you go. So let's say this is your stop loss. Boom. This is how much you will risk. As you can see, I can drag it, move it. It's designed to supposed to help you only risk 10% and give you the 1 to 2. Nothing more, nothing less. Feel me? Come to GJ, 10%. I should be able to put it here. Stop loss under here. And this is a 1 to 2. It should play a .56. Simple. Nothing hard about that, right? There you go. That's how you use my trade assistant. Same here. Come to market. You want to catch a sell. You want that as your TP. It'll give you a stop. Simple. Alright, bet. Is it this? Alright, bet. This mean Renko right here. That's what you want to get. A free indicator. I mean, it's not free, but it gives you a free trial. You get to test it out. Once you test it out, you know, I think it's like 30, 40 bucks to buy it. But you need it if you're going to trade Renko bricks. I can't help you about that if you don't want to spend the money. It's 30 bucks. Feel me? Well, that's if you trade futures. So this is 100. Trade assistant. This is 30. That's all you need. You should be straight. Now, with futures, get you an account. Renkos is free. What is it? Let me see if I can go in the Discord and find it. Lux Algo. Repeaters, no. There you go. Here you go right here. This is what you need for Renkos on futures. You can't get no better than that. Can't get no better than that. This is everything you need to trade Renkos. After that on futures, there's nothing really special. Everything else is for free. So you just come here and you put or download whatever else you need. there you go. Getting ready for the new year. Make sure you have everything set and lined up. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.